Setting up SuiteDash to handle client consultations is simple, but with all the features it offers, it can be overwhelming if you're just getting started. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set it up to streamline your client meetings, saving you time and making everything more efficient. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal an exclusive offer and an even better alternative that might be a better fit for your needs. Let's jump right into it. First off, to get SuiteDash set up for client consultations, you'll need to configure your dashboard properly. When you log in for the first time, make sure you've set up your company profile and customized the look of your client portal. This makes everything more professional when your clients log in to book or view their consultations. Next, let's focus on the calendar feature. This is a core element of handling consultations in SuiteDash. Head over to the Calendar section and set up available time slots for consultations. You can integrate it with your Google Calendar or use the native options provided. This ensures that clients can easily book sessions at times that work for you without any back and forth emails. The third thing you'll want to do is configure the consultation form. SuiteDash offers custom forms, which means you can create detailed questionnaires for your clients. These can ask for specific information, like the purpose of the consultation or any background details. This will ensure you're fully prepared when the consultation starts. Next, you'll want to set up automated reminders. SuiteDash allows you to send reminders by email or SMS to clients as their consultation time approaches. This feature helps reduce no-shows, which is critical for keeping your schedule on track and maximizing productivity. The fifth thing to configure is your invoice setup. SuiteDash allows you to set up invoices that are automatically generated after each consultation. You can make sure these invoices match your pricing structure and even send them automatically after each meeting. This will save you a lot of time compared to manual invoicing. Finally, let's talk about client communication. You'll want to use SuiteDash's built-in messaging system to keep in touch with your clients. Whether you're confirming appointments or sharing post-consultation notes, this feature allows for smooth communication directly within the platform. It's far more efficient than managing separate emails. Now that we've gone through SuiteDash's features, it's important to acknowledge that while SuiteDash has a lot of strengths, especially in its integration and client management, it can be a bit overwhelming for people who just need simple scheduling and consultation tools. If you're looking for something with a simpler interface and more targeted consultation features, there are alternatives out there that could fit your needs better. At the end of this video, we're sharing an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash through the link in the description. But before you make your final decision, we've also included a few alternatives that provide a streamlined experience that might be even better suited to handling consultations. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them out and find the one that works best for you. Through our link, you'll get access to the best deals available, along with some exclusive benefits for our viewers. So, if you want to optimize your client consultations without wasting time, check out the link below to get started with the best free trials and exclusive perks.